So the Vauxhall Vivaro indicator stalk won't turn off when going around corners. So pull the latch down and pull the steering column. Then unscrew the 2 screws underneath. The fairly long screws. Pull the bottom plastic cover. Pull the top plastic cover off. There's 2 locator clips, one at the top, which is just here. Just pull that down. One at the bottom, just here. The other locator is just here at the bottom. Just pull that up. Slide the stalk out. Unclip the wire from the back. Clip your new one back in. Then slide the stalk back in, listening for the 2 clicks. Check, make sure your indicators are working. Make sure your lights are working. Put your plastic casing back on. Click it together. Put your screws back in. Make sure your indicators are working and turning off. Beautiful. There you go. Job done.